Pre, dako lagi na mong traktor ba? Sige, gamit na pag fuel.
Wala ka ba kabalupe nga kuan leksyon ni sa among organic chemistry ang tubil ani is hydrocarbons or the biodiesel? Ano ba
Pwede
pre?
ko lang to.
Did you know that our tractors and harvesters in rice fields are powered by hydrocarbons, specifically alkanes in diesel fuel? Today, we are going to explore how alkanes work as fuels in farm machinery and whether biodiesel can be a better alternative.
Hydrocarbons are compounds made of carbon and hydrogen. Among them, alkanes are the simplest type, containing only single bonds. Diesel fuel is mostly made of these long-chain alkanes.
Alkanes are excellent fuels. They are highly combustible, very stable, and high energy density. This means they burn easily can be, start safety, and release a lot of energy to power machines.
In agriculture, diesel engines are everywhere. Almost 90% of farm machineries worldwide runs on diesel. Farmers use it because it is reliable, efficient, and easy to find.
But today, farmers are facing new problems because the fuel price are rising and the government are stricter about pollution. That is why many are considering about the biodiesel is an option.
Biodiesel is made from vegetable oils or animal fats. Its molecules are called hydrocarbon ester. It can be blended with diesel or used on its own your special engine.
The advantages of biodiesel are clear. It is renewable since it comes from plants. It produces less smoke and sulfur. It is also biodegradable, which makes it safer for the environment.
However, biodiesel also has disadvantages. It has lower energy content, so engine may lose a little bit power.
It can be also more expensive, depending on the country or location. In cold weather, biodiesel may thicken or gel, which can cause engine problems.
If produced in very large amount, biodiesel might compete food crops. This can affect food supply and prices.
In terms of productivity, diesel is the most reliable and powerful. But biodiesel, while a little weaker, can be blended for balance, like B20 to 20% biodiesel and 80% diesel.
For the environmental, diesels add greenhouse gases and air pollution. Biodiesel reduce net carbon emission because plants absorb carbon dioxide before harvest.
Many studies, including the US Department of Energy 2023, show that the biodiesel lower harmful emission without the major changes in machinery.
So, to sum up everything that has been stated, alkanes in diesel fuel have powered farming for decades. But as costs rise and the environment suffers, biodiesel gives farmers a renewable and cleaner option. The decision whether to take or continue to stick with diesel or shift to biodiesel will shape the future of farming.
When farmers choose a cleaner fuel, they harvest a cleaner future.